walking through the park to get some exercise today, and it's so nice out. It's just like puts you in such a good mood. I think it's like all the high school kids are playing tennis over here after school. Happy Tuesday, it's the beginning of a new vlog, and I'm getting ready this morning because I have an appointment. I'm getting my hair done. My hairstylist texted me over the weekend asking if I was free to come in today. And I didn't realize at the time of accepting it that it's during the time that Trump is being indicted in the Manhattan DA's office. And my salon is a few blocks away from there. So I'm a little bit unsure what the situation's going to be as far as like streets being closed, if there's gonna be people like protesting. We'll find out. But also, like, I think it'll be okay because I think I'm on the other side of where it would be, like towards 5th Avenue and stuff, I think is where things would be blocked off. So hoping for the best. Interesting day in New York, that's for sure. So that's how we're kicking off this week in my life vlog. I mean, yesterday was the beginning of the week. I just wasn't vlogging. Yeah, I'll finally be able to stop complaining about my hair on camera to you guys because I know you've heard enough and you don't care. Most of all, I just need a trim. And then I'm gonna like touch up the color a little bit, but I want it to be overall darker than it usually is when I get it done. Other updates from the weekend, I went to this really cool bar called Eavesdrop in Greenpoint, and we've been wanting to go there for a while, but it's really hard to get a reservation, and I realized why. Because when we went there, there's like 3 tables, it's so small, and there's not really standing room. Like they don't let you, like you have to have a seat to get there. So that's why it's been difficult for us to get in. But I made the reservation while I was in DC, and I thought it was for Saturday, but I misread the Resi page and it was for Sunday. But I took my friends there and it was so cool. I would highly recommend it. It's kind of like a 60s vibe, huge like turntables, DJ booth, like kind of audio theme. I think I'm gonna bring my laptop or something that I can like get stuff done while I'm sitting in the chair because it is gonna take a few hours. Also, I got mascara all over my eyelids and I need to clean it off when it dries, so ignore that. Nothing really crazy going on this week that I'm aware of, but taking you guys along for the ride. Happy Tuesday. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then we will, I have actually like an hour and a half till I need to leave, so I'll probably eat something before I go, pack up my stuff, and then we will head into Lower Manhattan and see what's going on. Okay, I'm filming this in the kitchen just because I feel like it might be the most similar using this lighting to however it changes later in the day. But this is the before of my hair. I just feel like, I mean, it's definitely been longer than usual since I got it done, like I've mentioned, because I was gonna go in January. But I don't know, it just feels especially full of split ends and dead and just not looking good. So this is where we're at. This is where my like bang pieces fall now under my chin, so they're kind of non-existent. But I think I want to go shorter with the bangs this time and like actually have them look a little more bang-like. I want it to be kind of like blonde, which I guess it kind of is now, but I don't know. Blended with my natural hair. Here's the before, but here we go. Here it is, the after. It looks a million times better, in my opinion. Actually, like, alive. And not just, like, stringy and grown out and dull. So, God bless Rowan at Fox & Jane Salon Bowery. I definitely think, like, we still brought in more blonde. Like, we kept doing highlights. But I really like how it is blended so well into my natural color, and I do feel like it's a little more like medium dirtier blonde than the like bright blonde that we usually do. So there it is. Hope I'm in the frame, and it just feels so much better. Like she cut it before we started the highlights. And even that, I was like, I could walk out now and be happy because it was just the trim that really needed it. But I think next time, I booked another appointment to get it colored for September. So I think I'll probably go in because she said she could do a dusting, like mini trim, pretty flexibly between clients. Like I don't need to book it super far in advance. So I'll probably do that, I think, like maybe May, June, to freshen it up before Sierra's wedding. But yeah, so happy with it. She just does the best job. And I got a little bit of bangs, nothing too crazy. I didn't see a single sign of like any protesters or anything regarding the Trump arraignment. So I walked up like there was nothing. But yeah, I think it was probably all in front of the DA's office and we were like on the other side, back towards Chinatown, Bowery. So didn't have to worry about that craziness. Stopped at Trader Joe's on my way back just to get a few things for the week so I can make dinners. I think I'm gonna make like a honey garlic chicken for dinner. Not tonight because I still have leftovers. Tomorrow, like a little green bean rice dish. I'm gonna catch up on emails and see what I can do off my to-do list for the afternoon. And it's so warm outside, it's like 70 degrees. I feel like I should go to the park or something, even though I was there last night. I went for a walk, but otherwise it'll just be a chill evening. So good morning, happy Wednesday. It is clouded. I don't really think I ended up vlogging much last night, but I went to bed early, so that was good. It's officially been 2 weeks now. Oh my god, I can't believe that was 2 weeks ago since I had that second interview, and I still haven't heard from them. Like, I mean, I'm taking that as a no still. Like, I was already a little bit skeptical once I didn't get the first job, but I'm just surprised because I did get the rejection email fairly promptly, like 1 week after and a day after that interview. So now it's been 2 weeks since this one and I'm just surprised that I haven't gotten the rejection email yet. So I don't know, it's just making me more anxious. I woke up feeling oh, my voice sounds weird. Oh, I'm worried. I woke up feeling a little bit stuffy. I feel like I sound really bad. This is not good. A little bit congested. And that could be because it was really warm when I woke up in the middle of the night, so I opened the window for a bit, but I don't think it would do this much. So I took some cautionary steps, aka I gargled with salt water this morning because I really don't want to get sick. So let's hope, it's knock on wood, that that's not the case. Maybe it was just the cold air, but not loving that. Not sure where I would have gotten that. Okay, just made dinner. I was gonna go to trivia tonight, but I decided I probably shouldn't if I have a little sore throat, just to like be safe. Don't want to get anyone else sick. So I just made this recipe from Half Baked Harvest. It's usually with breaded chicken, so I've used gluten-free flour in the past, but this time I just decided to use plain chicken. It's their like ginger sesame sticky crunchy, I don't know. So yeah, it's with pomegranate juice, soy sauce, but I use coconut aminos, some garlic, rice vinegar, honey. So I'm excited about that with just white rice and green beans. Hello folks. I am glad that I ended up canceling my plans last night because I'm definitely sick. I woke up today and I can feel it more, you can hear it. I'm just super congested and my throat actually isn't as sore. Yesterday it was pretty bad and this morning, like my tonsils just, I mean, I don't have tonsils. I got my tonsils removed, but you could just like see it in the back of my throat that it was irritated. But yeah, I don't feel feverish or like really sick. Like, you know, when you can feel it in your body and you just feel all over kind of just foggy. I don't really feel that. I just think it's a head cold, but it's not ideal. Chilled yesterday at home and today I just like have been really tired, so I took a nap in the middle of the day. It's afternoon now and just not feeling my best. So yeah, I'm thinking that this vlog probably won't continue on much longer because I genuinely think the rest of my week, aka it's Thursday now, isn't gonna get very interesting because I'm just gonna be resting. I really feel like it sounds worse. I don't feel that bad. It's just I know that I shouldn't be around people. So I'm hoping that I feel better and it's just like a 24-hour thing and I feel better by the weekend. But I was supposed to have plans with a friend tomorrow, and she texted me today and she was like, hey, just a heads up, like I caught some sort of virus, so we should reschedule. And I was like, wait, that's so funny because I was gonna text you the same thing. I don't know where I picked it up from because no one that I've seen recently has been sick, to my knowledge, unless someone at the hair salon was, but whatever. I'm gonna drink plenty of fluids. I don't have any emergency or anything, so I'm trying to keep up healthy habits and such. I'm taking my Bloom Greens powder. This has probiotics, prebiotics, just general fruits, veggies. This thing is so powerful. Cheers. I think I might have for a snack like bell pepper chopped up with some hummus because that's a lot of vitamin C. That's where I'm at today. So yeah, probably a lackluster vlog. So decided, I really didn't want to do this, but I decided to finally just email the recruiter from the job that I'm still waiting to hear back from, just to ask if I was still being considered or if he had any updates on the hiring process. And I got an automatic reply that he's out of office for the Easter holiday until Tuesday. So now I'm kind of like, I wish I hadn't said that. But whatever. I'm gonna wash the bell pepper and chop it up and have a little snack. Hello everyone. I bet you're just as surprised to see me as I am to be filming this. But I decided that I just couldn't end the vlog there. It was just so boring towards the end because I've been sick. But today is Saturday morning, so we're jumping ahead a little bit. The last 3 days I've literally done nothing and just stayed inside and been a little bit sick, but I'm feeling much better today. I think I still sound congested and I am a little congested, but everything else is pretty much better. Like my sore throat went away after the first day or two, and I don't have any aches. Like I was kind of headachy, body achy on Wednesday, and I'm feeling much better, and the only lingering is like a little congestion, so I feel like I'm okay at this point to like go outside. So yesterday I did go for a walk outside just because I was going a little stir crazy, but I didn't go out or see anyone or anything. So I'm taking some daytime Mucinex. I mean, this isn't actually Mucinex, it's the Target off-brand, but you know, I refuse to buy brand name medication because it's the same exact thing. You know, F you, Big Pharma. Wash my hair for the first time. You know, I literally feel like I'm being so dramatic because like I really was not that sick. But that feeling of like washing your hair after being sick when you're feeling like you're on the up and getting ready again, you just feel like you're slowly coming back to life. Perfect for Easter weekend. So I thought today I'd take the opportunity to go explore a little bit and see some of the cherry blossoms that are blooming in New York now. A couple weeks ago we were in DC and saw them there, and now I think it's peak bloom for a lot of the spots in New York, so I want to check out a couple of those. And then I'm meeting a friend who is already going to be in the city for coffee. We're meeting in Bryant Park, but she's not free till 3. So, oh my god, it's already past noon. What have I been doing? Maybe she'll want to go see some cherry blossoms with me, but I'm planning to do that like before and after. I don't know where I'm gonna go first. I know there's some spots downtown, like by Battery Park, or not by Battery Park. Well, is it? I don't know. At Brookfield Place, there's supposed to be a little park with a whole circle of cherry blossoms, and then obviously Central Park, there's a bunch. I don't know if I'm gonna get all the way up there, but we'll see. It's also kind of like cloudy all day today. It's like a little sunny in some spots right now, but it's not the nicest of days for cherry blossom spotting, but maybe there'll be less people, but probably not. That's my plan as of now, is just kind of like spending some time outside during the day, and then I'm just gonna monitor how I'm feeling if I'm gonna do anything tonight. But I'm just trying to keep it low-key, but I thought I'd be vlogging continuing into today just to show you guys some of the cherry blossoms and take you with, because I'm finally leaving my apartment. Okay, I think I am ready. I'm feeling so much better, and even just like, I mean, even though my face still looks a little decrepit, like if you get up close, don't. I styled my hair after my haircut for the first time, and this bang is really not cooperating. This one I feel like is fine. It's like going out where it's supposed to, and I tried hairspraying, and this one just keeps coming in, and I tried putting in a roller, and I'm just forgetting how it's an adjustment to like style shorter bangs again. We're just rolling with it. And then I'm finally wearing this coat that I battled with before. I'm embracing just the giant collar and going with it. Ivory top that kind of matches that, and just jeans and tennis shoes. So casual fit. It's sunny enough, so I'll be wearing glasses, and then if my bangs just get too much, then we'll just kick them out. Let's go find some cherry blossoms. Okay, I made it to Pump House Park. You guys, it's so quiet and cute. There's not that many people here for a sunny Saturday. And the blossoms are blooming. How pretty. They're a little bit spread out, I guess, but gorgeous. Art.